Hey, hello there, guys. Hello there, everybody. Hopefully, everybody is great. It's a fucking Tuesday. It's early in the morning, and not yet my trading time, but I was looking at the charts, and I decided to come over here and share maybe what I'm thinking and how I'm expecting price today to play out, analyze, and maybe have my word and ensure that I'll be sticking to my word as when my trading time and opportunity arises. So today also we are in the gold spot, and this day I'm trading gold, and today I'm looking for uh, maybe I want to see this buy side liquidity being taken, but let's go back and maybe see how I've come to that conclusion. Sorry, so this is the gold I'm trading, and I'll go back to the weekly time frame because I usually like to start from the higher time frames. So what I saw, or what we've been seeing since yesterday, and what I wasn't keen was the constant encroachment of this previous week. But yesterday this week was tapped into, so the constant encroachment was this week has already been tapped into. So for now, since I guess you can remember yesterday's video, since I guess we are done with the manipulation and the accumulation phase of this month's week, now we are in the distribution phase. I'm expecting lower drops or lower prices, a distribution lower. So that's why after seeing these weekly constant encroachment, this week constant encroachment has been tapped, I'm expecting lower retracements or distributions lower. So inside the daily, what we can see is we have this mitigation block over here, this order block that had been violated over here by this candle closing below this order block, meaning this is a mitigation block because it was supporting prices higher, but it has been violated. Now it's acting as resistance, uh, pushing price lower. You can see over here it tapped into it and then rally lower again, retraced here, then we had this retracement. So as for me, I'm expecting lower prices. So we can see how on Friday played out. We have on Monday we tapped into this week. I guess you can spot this week's high. It tapped into this weekly week uh, constant encroachment inside this 4 hour mitigation block. So for today, I am watching this daily week. I'm watching this candles week over here. I've labeled this daily D week constant encroachment, so I'll be looking into that. And what I can see is I'm having these this buy side liquidity slightly below this week. So this will be my target for the day. Before this will be a target for today, but if my bullish confirmations could have been so I'm not marrying myself to my bullish bias, but I want to see if my PDRAs are working or are confirming my bullish bias. If they're not, then generally I'm bare, but I'll be seeing how my key levels or my points of interest are being reacted to with this price. So looking onto the 4 hour, I didn't spot anything, but I did so this week here, this large week, and using the constant encroachment, I want to see how the candles had closed. You can see over here the wicks did the damage, and the wicks did the damage by tapping past the constant encroachment and tapped to the lower quadrant, but the bodies were closing above these 4 hour week constant encroachment, so they were closing above. So to some extent, this is not a confirmation, but it can also add up but I'm not going with that. But it's also a conference that I can use, but I dropped lower to the 3 hour time frame. It's a time frame that mostly we don't like referring to, but yeah, I decided to go through every time frame until to see whether I can get something. So I noticed these a 3 hour order block here. You can see it here. It's a down close candle inside a bull market. So we had these retracements lower, tapped into the order block, then uh, tapped below the main threshold of the 3 hour order block, then closed above. Also here we had this candle open here and close above the order block. We also have this candle here, this that started at 2 a.m. It tapped into 3 hour order block and rallied higher. uh, I would be anticipating this to be a swing low, okay, because this low has failed to take these lows over here. But over here when I was looking, I didn't see a fair value gap, but I dropped lower to a 2 hour time frame, and what I saw is these. So we have this 3 hour order block. You can see how the candles were respecting it. We have this extension lower below the the 3 hour order block, which is acceptable, which is very okay. Then I noticed this 2 hour inversion fair value gap here. This candles low, then this candles high. So what for my bullish buyers, what I want to see, or what I can anticipate to see, for my bullish buyers, I'm expecting to see a candle close above these 2 hour inversion fair value gap, or above the constant encroachment of this 2 hour inversion fair value gap. This is what I'm expecting to see. If it closes above, then I'll be going bullish with, of course, the 1 to 2 risk to reward. Very keen on also I'll be very keen on spreads, because this is the thing that I'm seeing. It's really doing me a mess, but it's something I will look into. But what I really want to see, I want to see a candle, this 2 hour candle close above the constant encroachment. From then I might be looking for buys to go higher, right? So dropping to the 1 hour time frame, you can see this candle has 26 minutes to close. Also in the 2 hour time frame, yeah, it has 26 minutes to close, so I'll be patient enough. I want to see a candle close. Also we have this 2 hour inversion fair value gap paired with this 1 hour inversion fair value gap. If this candle closes above, then definitely I'll be bullish to this level. But I'll be watching how price will react of these daily week constant encroachment. Maybe from here I'm expecting sales lower, but first of all, let's get the first things first. Then when we reach there, we will see what will happen. So over here I'm expecting to see this candle, a candle close above this zone, then also maybe a drop lower to these for entries, but we'll wait and see. So that's how I've analyzed my my trade for today. I might be bullish or maybe bearish, but I want to see how things will be reacting off and how things will be playing out. And yeah, we can see these change in state of delivery over here. We had this balanced price range with, we have these wicks overlapping this zone, so this zone is balanced. And yeah, want to see how things will be reacting off, and maybe for my entries higher. I don't know, I might be trying today to enter trade earlier, because I've seen sometimes I wait for New York session, and but yeah, I'll find a way to, maybe I'll be risking a half of 0.25 for trades that are outside my my trading plan, but yeah, we'll wait and see how price plays out. So over here, this is a 30-minute time frame. What we can see is, do we have a slight we have this market structure shift whereby this swing high has been the candle has closed above it, so we have a clear market structure shift over here. So it's waiting, being patient and waiting for that 1 hour candle to close, then I guess look for maybe buys and to those highs. But the price action here in the 15 minutes, I guess it's really bullish. We can see here we have this order block here that has been violated, now a mitigation block, and we can see how candles were respecting these mitigation block as well as this order block here, rallied higher, created a down close inside a bull market. This wick rallied lower, tapped into the 3-hour order block again, but the candle retraced and closed above this order block. Also, this order block closed inside this order block. Then we had this retracement higher, then another block. Also we had this rally lower for those who had entered early and maybe had their stop losses below this low. They were taken out. Okay, they were taken out, tapped past this large weak constant encroachment. Then we had it close above the main threshold of this order block. Then we had this rally. Okay, so I'm seeing things here bullish. Then we have this retracement tapped into the order block. Then we can see how it's playing out. So I'll be patient, wait for the 2-hour candle to close, from which I can draw or start looking for confluences where my stop should be, and yeah, target the buy side liquidity up there. Then later on I might be looking for sales during maybe New York session, but the main thing is I'm bullish for a while, then later on maybe look for sales. So that is it with this video, and hopefully I'll keep you updated in the evening, or maybe I might go live, and yeah, from which you can see how I'll be taking these trades. So that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please remember to hit that like button. Please also subscribe to this channel. We may grow a community together. So thanks for watching. I'm really humbled, and till next time, be safe guys. Bye.